about Databricks.
We run a lot of machine learning models, so daily we have more than 1 million of supervised learning models that are retrained every day and pushed to the customers. And we use Databricks to leverage this scalability in order to provide these services to the user in an efficient manner.
Delta Lake. I saw it online before a bit, but now with all the explanations and the great talks, you really understand what is happening behind.
You have to deal with a huge amount of data, which is in like an offline on-premise database, and I want to do analysis on an aggregated level of the data. So I think those bronze, silver, gold layers on top of them are really nice to do the analysis on.